Hey guys, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of the LED monitor light from Quntis. This is just the standard LED monitor that sits on top of your monitor. This is just a light and it helps with eye strain in the day. So they kindly sent me this for review. This is the box. So as you can see, there's 3 different kind of monitors that it supports. The power consumption, so it's 5 watts, and the color temperatures, etc. So this is the box. I believe these retail for around £40 on Amazon at the moment. I'll put the links below so you can check it out. So you get an instruction booklet. You get the weight and stand. So this is quite heavy to stop it falling off the top of the monitor. As you can see here, a USB-C cable, to USB. Luckily my monitor's got USB powered ports on it, so I won't need to run this cable down my desk. I think this might be an additional weight. Okay, so this is a different block to put in here for different monitor widths and thicknesses. And the light itself. So this is very high quality. It's made of metal. As you can see, there's some touch controllers on the top. So you have brightness, color temperature, and I'm not sure what this one here does. And then this one's the power. So this just clips in here. I believe. Like so. And then the USB-C port is on the back here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed on my monitor, and I'll let you see what it looks like when it's done. Right, so I've installed the light bar on the top of my monitor. This is a 49-inch Samsung curved monitor. So if it works for this monitor, it should work for most monitors. You get some different attachments in the box to for the thickness of your monitor. So just turn it on, you plug it in, and then you tap the on button, which is like a touch control. All the controls on top are touch. This square on the left of the power button is like an auto mode, so you tap that, it will put a blue light on, and the blue light means that it's sensing the light temperature in the room and the brightness in the room, and it will change the light accordingly. So as you can see, it's dimmed because it's quite bright in this room, but if you leave that on all day and it starts getting dark, the monitor light will turn on more and go more intense. This one over here is the temperature, so you can go from warm to cold to like a white, and then you can manually adjust the brightness here. So as you can see, there's 4 levels. And then if you go back to auto, which is where I think I'm going to have mine most of the time. They also offer a laptop version. So this one here is a laptop version. So I can show you a bit more the buttons on top. So these are also touch, like this one up here. This one's a tiny bit thinner. And the cable comes pre-installed, so it's already in, so you can't really take that out by the looks of it. It's a sealed unit. And this just clips onto the top of your laptop. You could probably use this on a small screen as well. So I have a 27-inch iMac, and I could probably clips to the top of there as well. It has a bracket so you can change the angle, and then this cool little cutout here is for your webcam, so it doesn't block your webcam. So if you're doing video calls, you can still have the light bar on top of your monitor. And this is the other side of the cable. So as you can see, it's a USB cable, normal USB, and it has a USB-C as well. So it's got like the adapter on the end, which is pretty cool. So it should cater for MacBooks and any older laptops. So this has been my unboxing and first look at the monitor lamp from Quntis. I'll put the description below if you want to check them out. I highly recommend it. It's helped my eyes very largely. So when it gets dark, it illuminates your whole desk, so it feels like it's the daytime. You can see your keyboard. So I highly recommend, and check out the link below if you want to pick one up yourself.